This is a Motorola G Power 2023 and it's been locked with the passcode. Welcome guys to a new video. When you have a phone like this Motorola G Power but accidentally you put a passcode and the next day you don't remember and you are locked out of your phone, you cannot use it. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get rid of this passcode right now. Let me warn you, before you attempt to unlock or restore your phone, all the information stored in this phone will be lost forever unless you have it saved on your Google account and you'll be fine. Alright, let's begin with this process. Let me show you. Right here you have a power button on the side. You have volume down and volume up. Get familiar with these buttons. We are going to use them to complete this process. Okay, make your phone light up just like this. Slide it up like you're going to unlock it. And when you are ready, press power button and volume up. It's gonna show you another options right here. From here, we are going to press the three buttons at the same time, just like so. When the phone shut off, it's gonna be in just a little minute right here. Press power button and volume down and it's gonna bring you to this menu right here. From this menu, just gonna navigate with the volume up and down. We're gonna press down to recovery mode. When we are on recovery mode, select that option with the power button. Then we are going to be presented with the Motorola logo. Don't worry, we are going right next to the next step. Alright, now we have no command. Don't worry, we are not done yet, and this is the next step. Press power button and after that press volume up. Right, this is the menu we were looking for. Now, using the same volume up and down, just press it to go down, and when the highlight option is over wipe data factory reset, press the power button to select. Alright, again, it's just gonna ask if we are sure of this process. Yes, factory data reset, and we're going to select it with the power button again. Alright, that will reset and format our data on this phone. Alright, to finish, we're gonna reboot our system with pressing the power button once again. And from here, our phone is gonna restart and it's going to just complete the process by itself. It's gonna be wiped in no time. Let's wait for this. Alright, this phone is being factory reset. The passcode is not there anymore. This is all you need to do to restart your phone as a brand new phone and remove the passcode from this device. And from here, this is the moment when your phone is going to ask for your Google account to gain access into your phone once again. If you had a Gmail account associated with this phone with your face button, I repeat, this is the time when you need to insert it. Another way, you just keep clicking through the settings and selecting your options and you're gonna gain access to your phone. That's it for this video, guys. That's how you remove the passcode on your phone. I'll see you back in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe and click bell icon so you don't miss notifications for upcoming videos. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye now.